Hello and welcome to this full free course in Blender, where we'll create a simple yet powerful 2D face rig that you can wrap around your 3D characters. What if you wanted to use image textures instead of nodes for a hand-drawn eye or sharp teeth, for example? This lesson has you covered. If you like the black themes I use in my videos, you can get one for free or the 6 theme pack for a small fee. You can also support my free content by picking up the premium course version, more in-depth, beginner-friendly with downloadable materials, or buy the eyes, mouth and nose rigs separately for a small fee. Find the links in the description. Now, if you want to have an image texture instead, you will have to delete all these, or you won't need to create them in the first place. I think I will keep the first one. I will try to dissolve these three. So node, delete with reconnect, nice. And then I will delete these. So select X, select X. Let's move these up. These are for the black line. And then we will also delete these two. Let's try to dissolve. So node, delete with reconnect, or try Control X. Oh, didn't work. And let's do Shift A and add image texture. Let's try to put it inside this frame, nice. And then connect the vector to the vector. And then we connect the color to B. Oh, so I think we need two mixers after all. So let's duplicate this guy, Shift D, connect the result here. And then we connect the color to B. And we keep A white and not this gray color. So we turn it into white, F. And we open our image texture. This one, GP Iris, it's a transparent PNG. Open image. And then we will need to change this from flat to box. And we already see our iris here. So now we connect the alpha to get the transparency data from the image. We connect it here to factor and we get this. If at this point you don't see your eye, it's maybe because, let's increase the scale, because the scale is too big and it is hidden here. So if you can't see it, try to change the scale. Let's change this back to 1. And then we change here from repeat in the image texture node, from repeat to extend or to clip, one of these, and we have this eye. Then you can increase the size again. And to center it on the empty, you change it here. If we bring it here, it's like, yeah, we can change it, I think, to 0.5 here on the X and 0.5 on the Z, and we have a centered eye, and voila, we are done. If you select the empty and move it, it will work just fine. And you see that we have a much simpler setup, and you can do the same for the mouth. For example, the method will be a little bit different, but it's basically the same. Using this image texture node, you can, for example, draw your own teeth, draw a beautiful tongue, and add it instead of creating them procedurally. This is a high resolution image. It's, I think, 1024 pixels by 1024. And I drew this one in Blender using grease pencil. So this is it. Let's go here to File, open recent, this guy, and don't save. And we have this. Now we go back to the layouts and we start creating our armature.